The art of fermentation spreads far back into time. Burying fish in the ground was an ancient means of storing and preserving. The word Gravlax literally means buried salmon. Fishermen in the Middle Ages would use this technique of burying salmon in sand to keep it cold. A few days later, the salmon would ferment. The process of making Gravlax has evolved, and today the fillets are cured in a salt and sugar mixture under refrigeration. Dill is typically added for traditional flavor. After 2 to 3 days, the result is a flavorful and smooth delicacy, which has made a name for itself around the world. Lifting the weight and removing the board reveals a 2-day culinary journey. Nothing difficult, nothing too time-consuming. An act of osmosis, curing, transformation. As the knife slowly pierces into the orange-pink, dill-infused delicacy, there's the thrill of getting to taste the first bite. A smooth, grainy, and subtly sweet mustard sauce is there to round it all off. Luxury at its finest and also its simplest. A time-honored tradition from the cold waters of Norway to your plate.